Hello, hope everybody's doing well. So I'm super excited because I spent $49 on this fan tee box. This is from America's Thrift Supply. I'm going to resell some of these and possibly give them to my youngest daughter because she loves panties. So let's see what we got in this box. So this has 10 band tees. I paid $42.49 for the box. First tee we have is a Kiss World Tour 77, not vintage. Next one is an AC/DC t-shirt, a Led Zeppelin, a Chris Stapleton. This one is the Beatles, Leonard Skinner. Well, we do have one vintage. This is Faith Hill, made in the USA, single stitch. Take Me As I Am tour. And another vintage, this one is Garth Brooks. This is a made in the USA Hanes, single stitch. Another vintage tee, this one is for the Loom, made in the USA, George Strait, single stitch. I think they gave me more than 10 pieces. All right, this one is Kenny Chesney. Country just isn't my thing, so I won't be wearing these. Okay, 90s babies, or excuse me, 80s babies. New Kids on the Block. This was from 2008. And the last one is a Led Zeppelin. This is just a, newer one. So they sent me 12 t-shirts. Like I said, I paid $42. This is a pretty great box. I'm happy with it. There's some plus sizes, some smaller sizes, and they sent this thank you for shopping with us, and you can use code influencer and get 10% off. So, yep, that's that. All right, guys, that's everything. I have a thread up mixed shoe haul coming up soon.